Wonderful. Thank you very much, Keith. And thanks to all the speakers. This has just been incredibly exciting and wonderful to see how the different speakers have been building up on each other's experiences. And what I'm going to do in the last few minutes of the symposium is talk about an entity that we had established a couple of years ago in 2019. That's Smart Technology Innovations, or ST Innovations, which we have developed to or established to kind of, in a sense, complement what IMYAG is doing and fill a critical gap in the technical support and stakeholder expertise that's needed to take an innovation from discovery to validation in a way that best positions the innovations for market uptake. So who are we? We are, as I said, the Smart Technology Innovations, or ST Innovations. We are a non-profit health technology development center for advancing health innovations from discovery to market. And we are located at the University of Alberta and linked to the Smart Network. And as Keith said, the Smart Network is sponsoring this symposium today. Now, we offer health technology companies, entrepreneurs, and academic innovators customized preclinical services, engineering services, clinical validation, and connection to clinical expertise. And really our aim is to remove barriers inherent in the health technology development process and allow for early innovations to be better positioned for commercialization. So our mission is to enhance the success of health technology development by removing roadblocks to the advancement of innovations and filling a critical technology development gap within particularly the Alberta health technology ecosystem. And our clients are university innovators and entrepreneurs, and also small and medium-sized entities, as well as multinational entities. And what we offer them is support for health technology development from discovery to preclinical, clinical, and end-user validation. We offer them access to an integrated team of professionals, including health scientists, engineers, medical experts, and consumers. We offer them access to world-class equipment that exists at the Smart Network, and provide them with linkages to a large set of partners that we have in the ecosystem and industry. And we also help them leverage their funding so that they can do more with the funds and advance their health innovations further. So we know that small companies and entrepreneurs in the health innovation space do not have access to all the necessary resources, infrastructure, and expertise to more easily move their health technologies from just a concept to real functioning prototypes that are validated and ready to be commercialized. So at the ST Innovations, we help our clients to bring their health technologies to life by offering them access to our facilities and equipment and the Smart Network, helping them to develop their prototypes, test them, validate them under quality control. So we have a QMS in ST Innovations. And importantly, we bring our team of scientists and engineers and health professionals and consumers to provide advice and assist at each stage of the health technology development. We also connect the SMEs to clinical expertise and linkages we have, such as the Northern Alberta Clinical Trials and Research Center, or NACTRAC, the Institute for Health Economics, and the Alberta Real World Evidence Services. We also provide linkages to other resources on campus, including the University of Alberta Health Hub Accelerator, of course, also IMYAG, and many other resources and services. Now, we partner with the global health companies and multinational enterprises to co-design and co-create their health solutions. And we do this by capitalizing on the advantages of the health innovation ecosystem in Alberta, which is an innovative ecosystem within the Canadian context. It is also, as we know, Alberta has a single provincial healthcare system and access to health data platforms. We also have provide access to the scientists from the Smart Network with expertise in medicine, rehab, engineering, neuroscience, computer science, and also social science. And we provide expertise in human machine interface technology and expertise in digital and precision health platforms and solutions. We also act as a commercial arm of the Smart Network. And our goal here is to help the innovators within the Smart Network and beyond along the path of health technology development. We connect innovators with industry, and very importantly, we try to line up early on feedback from M&Es to allow the innovators to get a proper assessment of project fit market and allow for timely pivoting. We link innovators to various resources on campus as well. And through ST Innovation's affiliation with the Smart Network, we have access to a vast range of equipment and systems that are already in place to help push health innovations forward. And there are multiple core capabilities that can be offered. And these are included here, but they are not limited to sensors and motor integration. We have all sorts of sensors that our innovators work on within the Smart Network. We have capabilities in analytics and machine learning, rehabilitation and injury prevention, device development, robotics and extended reality, and clinical and end user validations. One of our primary resources is the expertise that the Smart Network has. The Smart Network currently has 43 principal investigators from many different departments, faculties, and disciplines. We bring expertise in all areas of engineering, computer science and artificial intelligence, neuroscience, cell biology, magnetic resonance, various areas of medicine, including surgery and rehabilitation, health economics, clinical validation, social science, and consumer needs. And collectively, the principal investigators in the Smart Network bring more than 800 years of experience in research and development. And we have access to about 300 highly qualified support staff and trainees. One of our primary resources is also facilities and the equipment that we have. We, the Smart Network is housed in 16,000 square foot of contiguous space in two buildings that are connected to each other at the University of Alberta. And this space is equipped with $14 million of specialized equipment that ranges from laser microfabrication to complete suite of biological testing to robotics and prosthetics, a wide range of sensors, as I mentioned earlier, artificial intelligence and extended reality. And all these are supporting digital and precision health, as well as human machine interfaces. And then in addition to this space and equipment, the Smart Network has access to more than 40 additional individual labs, and that's over 50,000 square foot and several $1 million of additional equipment. As I mentioned, we have a quality management system already in place, as well as a good laboratory practice facility for preclinical testing. And these we set up to ensure that we assist our clients from all the different areas, from being academic entrepreneurs to businesses and small and large. And our idea is to be able to help them meet their regulatory requirements. And there's a full list of the facilities and capabilities that are offered by ST Innovations through the Smart Network at the current website. So let me just wrap up quickly by concluding that ST Innovations is a platform that links the capital and intellectual resources of the University of Alberta Smart Network to entrepreneurs and enterprises that focus on commercialization of health technologies. We have established processes that address human-machine interfaces, precision and digital health in neuromusculoskeletal conditions. We focus also on workplace safety and injury prevention, as well as extended reality in health. And at a time of growing concerns over budget cuts everywhere, not just at the university, there is a tremendous opportunity for ST Innovations to be a revenue generator for innovators and the university as a whole. So basically, the ST Innovations opens the doors of the smart network and the university as a whole to the outside world, and helps entrepreneurs and businesses develop their innovations from concept to validation, and provides a concierge service, if you want to think of it that way, that helps entrepreneurs and businesses navigate the exceptional capital at the University of Alberta to help them take their innovations from concept to validation. I hope that you will check us out. Our website is stinnovations.ca, and then follow us on different social media platforms. And I've listed over here the names and contact information of various members that you could contact if you have any questions at ST Innovations. And I'll end there, Keith.